I've been gone for a little while. I'm so sorry, you guys. Took a little leave of absence, but hopefully I'll be back soon with more videos. I thought to hold you guys over, I would post a quick grocery haul. These videos are super quick and easy to film and edit and upload. And you guys all seem to really like them. So I figured that was the best way to kind of dip my toe back into YouTube. So I went to Aldi, I went to Walmart. Let me show you what I picked up. Alright, first from Aldi, we'll talk about some produce. Picked up a bag of these pears. I always buy apples. I wanted something a little bit different. They had these pears on sale. Hopefully those will be good. I picked those up. I got some baby carrots. A pound of strawberries. Picked up a couple of boxes of this shells and cheese. We really like this. It's got that cheese sauce in it that's so good. Also picked up a can of baked beans. That makes for a great side dish with hamburgers or hot dogs or really anything. Some onions. We were all out of those. I picked up these frozen beef burgers. I usually buy the ones from Walmart. I've never really tried these ones from Aldi, so hopefully they will be good. Also picked up a chuck roast. I want to do a roast in my crock pot this week. Got some of those hash brown patties. Those make a great breakfast, and those fry up awesome in the air fryer. Got a half a gallon of chocolate milk for the kids, and a gallon of milk for cereal and cooking with throughout the week. I picked up some of these steak fries. Again, these go great in the air fryer, as do the potato puffs. I picked up some light brown sugar. We were just about out of that, so I needed to restock my pantry. Got these frozen burritos. I thought that would make a nice, quick, easy lunch for the weekend. Some frozen vegetables to stock our freezer back up. I got some frozen green beans, some broccoli, and some mixed vegetables. Don't mind the noise in the background. My cat and my dog are fighting. Keeping on with the Aldi stuff, picked up some Worcestershire sauce, some hamburger buns, and some hot dog buns. We needed to restock those things. A couple of cookies here, some chocolate chip, and some of the Oreos. And if I'm not mistaken, that was everything from Aldi, so now we can move on to Walmart. So back here, you guys may or may not be able to see, I got some Cocoa Roos, some chocolate cereal for the kids. Picked up some barbecue chips, as well as some of these cheddar and sour cream. Those are the kids' favorite. Here, I picked up some paper towels and some paper plates. For lunches for the week, I got this hot jalapeno and habanero jack cheese. That's my husband's favorite. As well as some sharp cheddar and some roast beef. Also picked up these frozen buttermilk biscuits. I thought those would be nice to have with biscuits and gravy this weekend. My husband's going to make that for me for Mother's Day. Also got the bacon for Mother's Day breakfast. We were just about out of Rinse Aid, so I picked that up. Also got coffee creamer, the Italian sweet cream for me, the original for my husband. They did not have Great Value original in stock, so I had to buy the super expensive stuff. Bummer. Hate having to do that. I picked up some trash bags there. Also picked up some AAA batteries. I needed those for my remote. And then I went a little ham on the ice cream. I couldn't decide what I wanted to buy for us for a treat for the week, so I just kind of bought everything. We'll definitely have a little back stock of ice cream in our freezer. This will last us several weeks, so I just couldn't decide, so I just went with everything. Picked up these brownie fudge swirl Klondike bars. I haven't tried these ones before, but anything with brownie in the name is my favorite thing. Also picked up the Heath. These are my husband's favorite. I got these orange sherbet tubes. I used to get these off the ice cream truck when I was a kid with the little Flintstones on them, and they were so good. So when I saw these, it brought back the nostalgia, so I picked those up for the kids. And then also I picked up a thing of the chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream and the butter pecan. So that is it for my grocery haul this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to those of you who have messaged me and asked me if I'm okay and where I've been. I really appreciate your concern. I was just taking a little bit of a break. Hopefully I'll be back soon with regularly scheduled videos. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!